Find the effective resistance across terminals A and E. Let's solve this puzzle. Step first. Go from right side in circuit. First add 5 ohms and 9 ohms resistances in series. That is equal to 14 ohms. Step 2. Now 14 ohms resistances across EC and other 14 ohms resistance across CD are in parallel. Use formula for parallel resistors equivalent resistance. So we calculate it and it becomes 7 ohms. Step 3. Now add 7 ohms resistance across CD that is in series with 11 ohms across BC. Thus it converts to 18 ohms across CD. Step 4. Now 18 ohms resistance across CD becomes parallel with 18 ohms resistance across B. We again do calculation and get 9 ohms resistance across B and E. Step 5. Go from right side to the second loop of circuit that is A, B, E and F. Now add 9 ohms resistance across B and E to 13 ohms resistance across A and B. 13 ohm plus 9 ohms that is equally to 22 ohms. Step 6. Now 22 ohms resistance in second loop across B and E becomes parallel with 22 ohms resistance across A and E. Solve it using parallel effective resistance formula. 22 multiply 22 ohms divided by their both sum. We get 11 ohms resistance across A and E terminals. That is final answer. Thus the effective resistance across terminals A and E becomes 11 ohms. So puzzle is solved. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share. For more info to get, let me know in comment section down below.